Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I am going to show you how to highlight cells that have those dates that are past the due date. So here I have this activity data where I have one due date for each activity, and I want to highlight those cells where the date is past the due date. And to check that, I'm going to use today's date. So if this date is past today's date, then this is something that I need to highlight. Otherwise, I don't want to highlight it. And to get today's date, I'm going to use the today function. Now the today function would give you today's date. So I'm recording this video on 13th October 2009. So this function gives me today's date. And if I open this file, let's say 5 days from now, then it is going to give me that date, which would be 18th October 2019. So this function automatically recalculates. Now let's see how to use this to highlight dates that are past the due date. I would first select this entire data range, go to the home tab, and here in conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules and then go to less than. And here I would type the today function and specify a formatting. In this case, I'm going to keep it as red fill and click OK. And you can see it is highlighting all those cells where the date is less than today's date, which means that this date has already passed. Now, if you open this file a few days from now, then it is going to change. This data is going to also add those cells where the date is then past the due date. So if I open this file on 18th October, then this cell is going to get highlighted and this cell is going to get highlighted, because in that case these would be past the due date. You can also use conditional formatting to highlight cells that are within a few days range after the due date. So let's say I want to highlight all the cells where the due date is in the next 5 days. So I would again select this entire data range, go to the home tab, click on conditional formatting, and here I would click on between. And here I would type today, and here I would type today plus 5. So this is going to highlight all those cells that are between today's date and 5 days from today. And I can specify a format here. So let's go with yellow and click OK. And you can see it is highlighting this date here and this date here, which means that the due date is near. And this is something that you can do for activities where the due date is in the next 1 week or in the next 1 month. So you, as soon as you open this file, you would instantly know that these are the activities where the due date is close. So this is how you can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that have dates that are past the due date. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.